சரிந்திடுமா உன் சொல்லில் ஆரடி பணிந்திடுமா You and I were 6'7", just the other minute life threw a curveball. Now we catching feelings. Who'd ever think a bona fide player get what I want, a heartbreaker would ever come to checkmate? Damn, I got a feeling this situationship is gonna flip the script and take us on a trip. Adventure awaits and love is not a game, but the only way to win it, baby,